The Pi network has long captured attention with its unique mobile mining approach. Millions of users have awaited PiCoin's entry into major exchanges. That day has arrived, marking a significant shift for the project. On May 27, 2025, MEXC officially listed PiCoin PI. This is a landmark event for the Pi network, signaling a new phase of development. The MEXC listing opens PiCoin to a wider audience of traders and investors. It provides a formal platform for price discovery and liquidity. The listing on MEXC brings a new level of legitimacy to PiCoin. It enhances the coin's credibility in the broader cryptocurrency market. Easier trading access is crucial for any cryptocurrency aiming for wider adoption. Previously, Pi transactions were largely peer-to-peer or on limited platforms. The MEXC listing changes this landscape dramatically. It offers a more structured and accessible trading environment. This development is expected to attract a diverse range of investors. A spokesperson for the Pi project emphasized the listing's role in offering greater liquidity. The move onto a recognized exchange like MEXC is a testament to the project's persistence. It reflects the growing interest in cryptocurrencies with large, active communities. The market will now observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. This is a transformative moment for the Pi network. The MEXC listing introduces the PI/USD1 trading pair. Traders can exchange PiCoin for the USD1 stablecoin. USD1 is backed by US Treasuries and cash reserves. This provides stability and a reliable store of value. Managed by Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., MEXC offers zero trading fees until June 26, 2025. As of May 28, 2025, PiCoin, PI, is navigating choppy market waters. The coin was trading near 74 cents, struggling to maintain above 70 cents. This price represents a 3% decrease in the past 24 hours. The initial excitement of the MEXC listing has met market dynamics. Investors are closely watching these early price movements. The current price indicates a period of consolidation or potential further correction. In May 2025, PiCoin had peaked above $1.60. Since then, its value has decreased by roughly 40%. Such corrections are common for newly listed assets. Despite the price drop, trading volume offers insights. Trading volume for PiCoin was up over 16%, reaching $145 million. This indicates sustained market demand. Market analysts identify key price levels with strong resistance around the $1 barrier. A critical support level is near 71 cents. Holding above 71 cents could pave the way for a rebound. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. Technical indicators provide insights into PiCoin's potential price movements. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, recently dipped below the neutral 50 mark. This suggests bearish sentiment slightly outweighs bullish sentiment. Bollinger Bands show PiCoin trending within a tight channel, indicating potential for a breakout. The direction of this breakout is yet to be determined. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, shows bearish inclinations. This suggests downward momentum, with the short-term moving average below the long-term. Traders use the MACD to identify potential buy and sell signals. The stochastic RSI suggests PiCoin might be short-term oversold. This could imply a potential for a minor bounce or relief rally. Moving averages, MAs, are acting as resistance. The 20-period simple moving average, SMA, is around 77 cents. This level is now acting as immediate resistance. Traders will watch if PiCoin can overcome this resistance to show strength. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. The optimism from the MEXC listing faces significant headwinds. Notable sell-offs among Pi network holders present a challenge. While a listing provides liquidity, it also offers an exit opportunity for early participants. Insider wallet activity has raised concerns. Alleged sales by insiders contributed to a nearly 50% price drop. Such activities can shake investor confidence. Transparency regarding large token movements is vital. Further scrutiny has fallen on large transfers of Pi coins. Over 100 million Pi tokens were reportedly moved from OKWX exchange wallets. These transfers raise concerns about token distribution and centralization. If a large portion of tokens is held by a few entities, it can lead to market manipulation fears. Centralization concerns are not new to Pi network. The number of validator nodes has increased, but network control remains centralized. This centralization can lead to skepticism about genuine market demand. Addressing governance and decentralization will be significant ongoing challenges. These issues need to be tackled to build long-term credibility. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. Pi Network is preparing for significant token unlocks. Token unlocks refer to the release of previously restricted tokens into the circulating supply. A substantial single-day unlock was scheduled for May 28, 2025. This event involved the release of 15 million Pi tokens. Such a large injection can impact price, especially if the market is already experiencing selling pressure. The unlocking schedule continues in June, July, and August 2025. A consistent stream of new tokens can exert sustained downward pressure on the price. The project team's communication around these unlocks can manage market expectations. Clear explanations of the purpose of these tokens can mitigate negative sentiment. The market's reaction will depend on several factors. Current market sentiment towards Picoin and the broader crypto market will be influential. The perceived progress of the Pi Network project itself will also matter. If the project demonstrates strong development and adoption, it might offset some selling pressure. Investors will need to weigh the potential for increased supply against the long-term prospects. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. Pi Network is focused on long-term value creation. The project's vision extends beyond initial exchange listings. The team aims to build a sustainable ecosystem around Picoin. This involves fostering real-world utility and applications for the cryptocurrency. A significant step is the $100 million Pi Network Ventures Fund. This fund supports startups and developers within the Pi ecosystem. Key areas include artificial intelligence, gaming, financial technology, and e-commerce. By funding projects in these sectors, Pi Network aims to cultivate real-world applications. This can drive adoption and create organic demand for the coin. In addition to the Ventures Fund, Pi Network has been enhancing its platform. New mainnet applications and account recovery options have been added. These improvements enhance user experience and security. The Pi core team plans to integrate different aspects of its ecosystem. One plan involves converting Fireside tokens into Picoin. This conversion could streamline tokenomics. The focus is on building a self-sustaining economy. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. The Binance buzz is worth addressing. Currently, there are no confirmed reports of Picoin being listed on Binance. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. A listing there is often seen as a major catalyst for any crypto project. The buzz likely stems from community hope and speculation. Given Pi Network's large user base, anticipation for listings on top-tier exchanges is understandable. However, it is important to rely on official announcements. A Binance listing typically brings immense visibility and liquidity. For Pi Network, a Binance listing would be a monumental step. It would validate its efforts on a grand scale. While a Binance listing remains speculative, the MEXC listing is a concrete achievement. Reports mention listings on other exchanges, indicating growing institutional interest. Each new exchange listing broadens Picoin's reach. This gradual expansion is a healthy growth pattern. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter. The recent listing of Picoin on MEXC marks a pivotal moment. It is a significant step into the broader cryptocurrency market. This debut offers new avenues for liquidity and visibility. For millions of Pi miners, this is a long-awaited development. The introduction of the PI/USD1 pair grounds Pi in the wider financial landscape. However, this new chapter is not without challenges. Picoin faces pressures from recent sell-offs and insider activity concerns. Upcoming token unlocks could add further selling pressure. Centralization concerns regarding token distribution cast a shadow. These issues require transparent management from the Pi core team. Despite hurdles, opportunities abound for Pi Network. The project's massive user base provides a strong foundation. The Pi Network Ventures Fund aims to foster a vibrant ecosystem. Success in developing real-world use cases could drive organic demand. Continued enhancements to the mainnet contribute positively. If Pi Network addresses concerns about decentralization, it can build greater trust. Pi Network stands between the promise of its community and market trials. The journey from a mobile mining concept to a listed cryptocurrency has been unique. The project now faces the test of sustaining value and utility. The market will observe how Pi navigates this new chapter.